What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here, and you're here with Crypto E, and welcome to your exchange. If you guys are new to this channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel with the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop information packed videos, just like the one you're watching right now. And we have a big story today, don't we? Wow. This story is about Three Arrows Capital founders claiming bankruptcy on the crypto hedge fund and they go missing. So as investors try to recoup their assets, they are MIA. By that being said, guys, if you guys are new to this channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and let's just get straight into the article. So first, let's quickly start off with the market cap of crypto. $887 billion. You guys know it has came down a little bit. It was around, what am I saying a little bit, but in the crypto markets it is a little bit, even though it was around $911 billion yesterday. Now it's 887. You guys can see it's about a 27%, or 23 to 27 billion dollars just wiped off the market just like that. But still a lot of red going on. Bitcoin came down below 20,000 again at $19,884. Ethereum 1,076, and only Sand and a couple other cryptocurrencies are not on the heat map on the red markets. So what is a Three Arrow Capital? Let's quickly get into it before we even get into it. So Three Arrows Capital was a Singapore based, and hence the wealth, cryptocurrency hedge fund, which was ordered to liquidate on 27th of June 2022 by court in the British Virgin Islands, and it was founded in 2012. So let's get into the article and find out what are these CEOs doing. So founders of bankruptcy crypto hedge fund 3AC, Three Arrows Capital, go missing as investors try to recoup assets. So wow, am I happy or am I glad I didn't invest in this? For anybody that has invested their money into it, I do apologize for the big thing that's going on, and I'm not apologizing on behalf of the company because I am not the company, but I'm just apologizing because of a person that I am. It's kind of crazy that people just get robbed like this. And you guys can see they managed about 10 billion in assets. Oh, then that was on recently on March, as of March, and on July 1st, the firm filed Chapter 15 bankruptcy, and we'll get into what Chapter 15 bankruptcy is. But according to court documents recently filed in New York, the co-founders of failed crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital appear to be on the run from creditors. And over here, the lawyer representing the creditors say the physical whereabouts of Zhu Shu and Kyle Davis, who started Three Arrows Capital in 2012, are quote-unquote currently unknown. Ahead of a hearing that is scheduled for 9 a.m. Tuesday, which was today, so they basically did not even attend the hearing. They're probably in the Cayman Islands relaxing with the 10 billion or even half of the money that they have acquired. So what is a Chapter 15 bankruptcy? We have to get into it and understand why did they file that. So Chapter 15 bankruptcy, according to the U.S. courts, is, and the United States courts authorized to issue preliminary relief as soon as the petition for recognition is filed under USC 1519, and the full bankruptcy case is initiated by a foreign representative, which means that when there is a foreign main proceeding pending in any other country, bankruptcy court jurisdiction is generally limited to the debtor's assets that are located in the original country of the United States. So Chapter 15 bankruptcy is technically legal filing that allows a foreign debtor to file for bankruptcy in the United States court system. So at least we get that out the way, understand what Chapter 15 bankruptcy is. They're only held accountable for their assets in the United States. Now you guys see how crazy that number is, $10 billion. As we go back to the crypto coin market cap website, we lost about $27 billion in the past day. So just imagine $10 billion being wiped off and just gone. Man, it is crazy what's going on. These people are sinister scammers. So during the meeting, representative helping to facilitate the liquidation requested immediate access to 3AC's offices and to information related to their bank accounts and digital wallets. And as of Friday, that access had not been granted. So which gave the owners a little bit of time, a little bit of leeway to kick in the door and say goodbye without actually saying goodbye. If you get it. Quote, 3 arrows which appeared to be pushed out under the door or propped against the door, end quote. Neighbors to surrounding offices said they had last seen people in the 3 arrows in early June. So imagine this, if they seen them in early June and all these proceedings, all these hearings have not happened in over a month, that gives them plenty of time to decide where they're going to go, where they're going to take the money, how they're going to leave the country, and all these things. Even hire lawyers and act like they're talking to lawyers, but they're probably somewhere else. They cannot even be tracked. One day this truth will come out. As always, the truth will come out, but maybe too late for the people that have invested their money in it. Quote again, that risk is heightened because of a substantial portion of debtors' assets are comprised of cash and digital assets. The cash may be a little difficult to get through, but the digital assets, you can just not even carry anything as long as you know your private keys and access it anywhere you are. That is the power of cryptocurrencies for the good and the bad. And cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, same thing, that are readily transferred. And Crumpler said in the statement. Wow, guys, again, if you guys are invested in 3 Arrows Capital, which is a no-go at this point or nothing, I do feel sorry for you. So, you know, at the end of the day, you can't trust no company, as we always say on this channel. Take your funds and go on a cold wallet. And I will have a link to a cold wallet, which is a Ledger X, if you're interested, because you don't want to leave your money on these brokerages, not your keys, not your crypto. As I always say, if it's not your keys or your keys to the account, which is a private keys, so if you don't have the private keys to Coinbase, then these cryptos on Coinbase or any other crypto exchange, like here you see the Voyager and 3 Arrows Capital, they're not your crypto, and they can do the same thing that just happened. We've seen this play out multiple times. So always be vigilant, guys. You never know what can happen. And over here, 3 Arrows Capital is insolvency has already had a major impact on the broader crypto market because so many institutions had money wrapped up with the firm. So this is institutional money in it as well. It's not just retail money wrapped up, because there ain't no way retail money can succumb to $10 billion that fast in assets. And the reason these people are getting hunted down is because of the money wrapped up with the firms, institutional firms. And institutional firms are not going to let this go, but we shall see the more plays, more stories coming out of this. I'll keep you guys updated as always. As crazy as it is, guys, stay vigilant. Sinister things happening in the world, especially in the financial markets, and not just in crypto. But as we are heading into the future, crypto is #1 in the financial markets, and that is what I'm trying to help people understand. But by that being said, guys, thanks for tuning into this video. I hope you learned something from it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to this channel if you guys are new or recurring viewers but you still have not subscribed. Subscribe to this channel and don't miss anything that comes out in the financial markets relating to crypto, forex, stocks, or anything that has to do with financial markets. I'm Crypto E, your host. I'll see you on the next one. God bless. Peace out.